Welcome to Vitiated how-to. This is turn signal marker lamp bulbs video number 2. This is a GL 450 Mercedes Benz, and as you've seen in the other video, that one was a pain in the ass. You're about to see a real pain in the ass. Okay, to get the marker, that's this one right here. I'll show you where it's at. As you can see, you get your hand down there. There's a wiring harness right there. You got to follow this wiring harness all the way back there. But first, what you got to do, especially if you got big arms and hands like me, this right here, that light, you got to take it out, because you can't get neither one of your arms in there if you don't. You pull it out, it twists, and it comes right out easy. Okay, and don't get in. You need to make sure the car is cool, because this is the reservoir for the radiator, and this nice little hose right here is hotter than shit. But I ain't scared. First time I ain't never been burned. It won't be the last time I ain't been burned either. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to fill with your left hand, because it's going to take both hands to do this. You're going to have to stick your left hand in, work in there, and reach all the way back in there, as far back as you can reach, and do like I showed you on the other video. Once you grab it and you're at the end of it, take and look right there. See, I already took it out, but shine a light in there and shake it. And when you know that's the right one, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to squeeze this little squeeze thing right here. I've already taken it out, like I said. You're going to feel that. You're going to see this is what it looks like. You're going to squeeze it and you're going to pull, and it's going to slide right off real easy. That's the easy part of it. Here's the hard part, because this is what you're going to be feeling for. It's going to look just exactly like this that's on the GL 450, and I think some of the other Mercedes are the same way. But the 450 is a pain in the ass, because you have the ABS, whole damn ABS box in the way. You got the reservoir for the radiator, and you got the two hoses, and then you got that light, and then you got that little pump there that's for the radiator too. Everything's in the way to get back in there. So enough of bullshit. Back to what I was saying. Yeah, it's my annoying wife. You're going to want to feel for this, and this one should be just like the other one. You're going to grab it and you're going to twist it, but I had to use this hand because I couldn't get this hand far enough up in there to do it, so I had to use this hand, and I fished my hand down in there and I turned it and pulled it out. It turns just like the other one did, same direction and everything. So you pull it out, turn it, and you're done. That's the easy part. Okay, then you take this out, and this is what you're looking for. I'll put it in the description what bulbs that I used, because the ones that they're trying to sell you are $16, and suck my ass on the 16 bucks. I done spent 20 plus thousand on this damn car. But that's what you're going to use. 194 NA. I'll put it in the comments of both videos. And that one there is an old bulb, and I already put this one in. So what you do is you fish it back in there. You're gonna have to stick your finger in there, in the little hole, in that hole back there. Then that way you'll know whether it goes this way or this way. I'm pretty sure it goes that way, but don't quote me on it, because I had the other one wrong. You'll just have to work it out for yourself and see. And whatever you do, don't drop this. If you do, you're going to be fishing it back out. Oh, damn. Hold on a minute, my wife won't shut up. God damn, shut up. Alright, now we're good. Let's back to what we were doing. Back to getting burned. Alright, one of my favorite things. Okay, you stick that in there. Okay, that one, and that one. Alright. Well, I'm pretty sure it goes that way. Again, I could be wrong, so here goes. I didn't video me taking it out because it took me too damn long to get it out. And I've done some really dumbass shit trying to get it out. I was gonna take the tire wheel off like I did the my Traverse. But you don't do that either. This is the easiest, fastest way that I can find to do it. And you push this in. It's kind of like you're pushing it into a crater. Nope, that ain't it. Come on. There we go. Nope, that ain't right. Out. Well, I might have to set that down because I'm still here, but I'm trying to get this to go in, and I can't get it to go in like that. I'm holding it. Whoa. It was a lot easier pulling the damn thing out than it was trying to put the damn thing back in. That's for damn sure. Because this one too's got to kind of go facing kind of outward a little bit. It doesn't just go straight down. Ouch. Come on. Turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it. Got it in. Now being able to turn this damn thing is going to be the hard part. You can try using a pair of needle nose if you can get them in there, because that's what I was originally trying. Well, speaking of which, I lost them. Funny. But that's what I used to try to get it out with, and I couldn't. So I'm steadily fighting with it here to get it in. And I got it in the hole, I just can't turn it. Got it. Hand stuck now. Like I showed you, that little nipple thing. Let me find this. That little nipple thing that this goes on, it has to go just like this. You push it in, and then you turn it that way. Just like the other one on the passenger side. The exact same way. So now that I finally got it in, it was a lot easier getting it in than getting it out. It took me forever to pull that damn thing out. Alright. Let's see. Get this on. Yeah, I know you're just on. What happened to it? There it is. Okay. If you feel a bunch of little holes, then you went too far. Ouch. Oh, I'm stuck. Ugh. As you can tell from doing this earlier, I scratched up my arm. Alright. I scratched my arm up pretty bad. And just purpled my knuckles trying to put it back. I mean, I don't know how much this costs, but a couple of scrapes and purple knuckles is a lot better than $100. I mean, it took me maybe an hour total of everything. And as you can see, voila, it's on. Now, put this back where it come out of. That one there, you got to put it back where you took it out of. Come on. And if you put it back while it's on, it won't work. So you gotta untake the key off, put the key back in the ignition. This is retarded. Start it back up. And now the stupid thing works like it's supposed to. This damn retarded ass vehicle. Well, I hope this was fun. It's been real. It's been fun. But I'll tell you, this wasn't real fun. I don't want to do this again, but I'm sure I'm going to get stuck doing it. Please check out my other videos and my other adventures of this headache ass car and my other ones. Thank you for stopping by Vitiated's How To. Please share and like my videos and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.